Hi guys, kami na naman. Nico here with Mario with Graham. And yung topic at conversation natin dito is actually an interesting one, no? Is what we're gonna talk about. Are the OKC Thunder a dynasty in the making? Now, for me, I've made my points here on why they are a dynasty in the making. Kahit sa sama ng loob ko, nagawan tong ng listahan to as a Warriors fan, knowing na wala na kaming championship window. I feel like the door is 98% close for the Golden State Warriors. May 2% chance pa. But here's what I think about OKC. So they won ahead of schedule, knowing na this is supposed to be a learning year. Actually not a learning year. This is a year na they're contenders. They're actually one of the favorites. Pero at the age of the players, pag tinignan mo yung mga age nila, you're like, oh, they're kind of ahead of schedule. They won ahead of schedule. You have SGA, Chet, J-Dub. They have a elite front office and draft capital. From what I have read a while ago, they have 11 first round picks from 2025 to 2030. That's some crazy shit. The core is locked in long term. SGA is under contract to 2027. Si Chet is on a rookie deal. J-W, Dort, role players, Caruso are locked into team-friendly contracts. Their playing style is modern, versatile, fun to watch. They have
Fun to
cap
watch.
flex. I like it. I like it. Wait lang. They have a cap flexibility as well. Wala silang overpaid vets. Isaiah Hartenstein is paid well. They didn't overpay for Isaiah Hartenstein. A lot of players are in their rookie contracts like Kayson Wallace and this na AJ Mitchell. They have a good core. Hinihintay pa nila si Nikola Topic. Just pulling it out there. Kasi medyo believe ako kay Nikola Topic. And they're built for this. They drafted and developed most of these core. No max free agent signings, homegrown identity, small market grit, and I believe that's why they are a dynasty. Pero that's why these boys are here to crush what I said, no? Mario, are they a dynasty in the making, or you have other teams in mind that will spoil the next few years for OKC despite
Yeah,
everything
the
going for them
Los
right now?
Angeles Lakers are
Yan, dapat sinuot mo yung LeBron James. Yeah, the Los
the
Angeles
Los
Lakers.
Angeles Lakers, by the way. No.
Sige. Mm.
But okay, yes, right now, mukha silang
Mm.
dynasty because of how all of these players have played. First of all, I want to completely disagree with they are a fun team to watch. I don't find
Oh,
them fun.
okay. Sige, go, go. Okay, okay.
Don't find them fun at all, man. I got bored watching them play, and that's just a me thing. I also get
Yeah,
bored
yeah, of
watching.
course. You are entitled to your own opinion, my friend.
I also get bored watching the Lakers, if I'm being honest. Like sometimes
Oy, ako
they're
hindi ah. Kasi it's
so.
always some shenanigans happening in the sideline, may
Yeah.
nangyayari sa court, may nagtuturuan.
To be fair, when we say
Nasapakin ni Lebron si Stephen A, di ba?
yeah, yeah, yeah. But when we say when we say
Oh.
fun to watch, the teams I think of when we say that's like Indiana, I'd
Mm.
say Memphis was a fun team to watch.
Memphis is fun to watch.
Memphis was
Before
a
Ja got injured,
yeah,
by
I
Lou
think
Dort, by the
Detroit.
way.
I think Detroit's a fun team to watch, and
Yes.
I don't think the Knicks are a fun team to watch, if I'm being honest. I think the Cavs are a fun team to watch. That's what I mean when I say fun. I'm not necessarily. I
Okay.
know OKC deserve the championship, but I don't really enjoy their brand of basketball. Aside from
It's
that,
okay.
they have the players. Pero ang tanong ko, you mentioned it yourself. A lot of these guys
Mm.
are they're kind of rookie-ish contracts.
Yeah,
Okay.
they have good contracts. They have good contracts.
Yeah.
As of right now. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. J-Dub, first of all, is not a role player. J-Dub is the second best player on Oklahoma City. Um, I don't think you can keep J-Dub for the price you have J-Dub at right now, man. I don't think
Well, yeah,
that's.
pero ano yung contract niya? It's a good contract din. Jalen Williams
I don't even when he
contract.
signed, if I'm being honest.
Four
Uh,
year, he's on the third season of a 4 year, 20.3 million
yeah,
rookie contract. So next year,
Wow.
yeah.
He's up na for a big
Extension.
payday.
Do you
200 mil?
Oh,
genuinely
that's
think?
highway robbery, yung ganung contract.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, he's a
highway
4 year,
robbery.
20 mil siya. Yeah.
You genuinely think we can get him for the same price or even close to that? I don't
No,
think
no, no.
so.
I believe it's gonna be 200 mil.
Yeah, exactly.
Minimum.
Yeah.
Um, so
Fuck.
that's not easy either. Number two, Chet Holmgren's on a 4 year, 44 million deal, and that ends next year also. So both Chet and J Dub's contracts are expiring soon. Do you genuinely believe you can keep both?
It's
I,
RFA. They're gonna be restricted free agents, so you
I'm
have
not
to keep
sure you
them
can keep both, man. I'm genuinely
without
not.
sacrificing the depth that they have right now.
Yeah,
Siguro
I don't
lang.
think. there's a very good possibility you don't get to keep both. But as presently constructed, in terms of the players they have, the age that they have, the type of
Mm-hmm.
basketball they play, yes, of course, people will say that there's a very good possibility they are a dynasty if contingent on um J Dub and Chet being able to sign again or something to that extent, man.
Mm-hmm.
Without them, obviously OKC doesn't win the championship. I don't think first of all, J Dub was very good today. J Dub was very good
He was
today.
okay. He was okay today. He was okay today. J-Dub.
So yeah, by today it's literally sorry, fourth recording of the day.
Yeah.
I don't
So dami ganda ko.
know. Fourth recording of the
Woo!
so yeah. Uh,
Fourth, third? Parang ganun
no,
ata eh.
oh man, no, no. Anyway, yeah, you know yun. I see why people believe it. If Shea stays in OKC, they will
Mm-mm.
forever be a contender, unless barring any injury, which I hope never happens to
Parang
Shea.
his game is good for ano no, like long term, yung laro niya. He's not
Yeah,
like a
I
gung-ho
mean,
na I'm gonna attack and crash my body to the floor.
depends, man. People will always call Shea a foul, whatever, foul merchant, foul baiter.
Merchant, the merchant.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he can be all of those things, and that takes a toll on your body, bro. That will at some point take a toll on your body din naman. So yeah, I made my points pretty clear naman here na yes, they are in terms of the skill, in terms of the players, in terms of
The
the age.
trajectory right now and all the
They are a
picks.
dynasty. But this matters a lot when it comes to who is gonna sign again, who and how much are they gonna sign for? Because Alex Caruso, I don't think you can keep for a cheap price either. I don't think you can keep Lou Dort for a cheap price. I don't think you can keep Cason Wallace. Well, Cason Wallace, you may
Kaysen
keep it.
Wallace pwede pa, yeah, pwede pa.
Yeah, yeah. And, you know, yung mga yun lang. That's basically how I see it.
Grim,
Alam nyo, since the Lakers won in 2020, we have been guilty of saying, oh, the team that won the title will win again. Diba? The Lakers,
this always
they
has
look
been, yeah,
strong.
mentality natin as
And then
fans.
the
Ganun.
next year, AD got hurt, LeBron got hurt, lost in the first round. Next year, Milwaukee, diba? Giannis, best player in the world.
Mm.
Holiday, great defender. Middleton closer. What happened? Middleton got hurt, lost in Game 7 to Boston second round. The next year, di ba, the Warriors won the title. Oh, Jordan Poole is the next, parang splash brother. And then sinapak siya ni Draymond Green before the season ended. And then lost in the second round to the Lakers. The Nuggets, nobody can beat the Nuggets in a 7-game series. Lost to the Minnesota Timberwolves in round 2. And then ito na naman yung Celtics, who, by the way, even if Jason Tatum did not get hurt in Game 4, I think would have lost the Knicks. So I'm not going to say they're the next dynasty because the Rockets made a move for KD. And also,
Yeah.
have you not heard of the Giannis to San Antonio rumors? If that happens, then they're probably not the best team in their own time zone.
Mm.
Di ba? The Rockets are
Okay.
Actually,
going
that
to be
own
good.
times, oo nga, no?
Di ba?
Okay,
The Spurs are going to be good. And then you have Cooper Flag with the
Dallas.
Mavericks, di ba? And
Yep.
then out west you have the Lakers and the Warriors still who are still good if you ask me. So no, they're I don't see them as the next dynasty. We've been guilty of this for the past 5 years, and for the past 7 years, a different champion has always won in the end. So no.
I
Who's gonna,
one
oh,
path I see OKC becoming a real dynasty, literal na 2 or 3
yeah, yeah,
championships
yeah.
is you mentioned it at the start. They have 11 first round picks. Somebody wants those picks, man.
I'm sure
They
somebody
can
wants
Well,
get
those.
that's the thing, nawala yung past champions. Yung ganun
yes,
Yeah,
karaming
the
first
draft
round.
capital.
Yeah,
brother. Many
that's
people will want those picks. Imagine, and you can get even if you give away 5 first round picks for I don't know. You could make a play for Giannis. You could actually make a play for Giannis if you're being honest. If you're OKC,
that's right. Oo nga.
Actually, oo nga, no?
you could make a play for Giannis, bro.
You give up Chet Holmgren, di ba?
Yes, give
Yeah.
you
Chet
give
and
up,
picks
Mm,
bro. You can give up J-Dub in picks and you'll be fine, man.
bago magano before you go to that contract
Yes, there's
extension
so
for
many people
J-Dub
they
ba?
could go for. You know, you could even trade for Zion if you wanted.
Oh, no, 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 no,
If you're
no, no. Not
OKC,
trading for
man. Good.
Zion.
Hey, man. When Zion's on the
Injury
court,
prone. He's injury
trade
prone.
him.
Mario, ano.
Injury prone, man. I don't, I
If
don't,
Mario took the basketball seriously and moved to the
I'm
US, he would be
Zion.
Zion.
Yeah, I'd be Zion. Yeah, pero
Zach Lofton.
those
Throw up si Mario sa Zach Lofton. Hey, man. Hey, man. Zach Lofton Jr. Wait, Kenny Lofton, not Zach
Kenny,
Lofton.
No,
Kenny
Kenny
Lofton.
Lofton, yeah. So, my
Pinag-mix
bad.
mo naman
My
si Zach
bad.
Randolph eh.
Yeah,
Kung pwede
well,
rin, if Mario
they
moved
play
to
the same way,
Memphis,
though.
kung pinalaki siya ng
Not
nanay
gonna
niya sa
lie, bro.
Memphis,
That caught me off guard.
kinilofton.
But bro, the 11 picks of OKC, you're gonna get somebody from that.
Yeah.
I don't think they're gonna use these all of them to draft. I think a lot of those may be used in a trade, and it's gonna be a trade for somebody fairly good. Those are if you get Rudy Gobert for well, no, you can get Kevin Durant for 4 second rounders, and you
Mhm.
can get
Homecoming, right?
yeah, like imagine that. Oh, well, to be fair, they just traded him, so I don't think that's gonna be
They
possible.
just traded it.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah, sorry. But you know what I mean? Like there are people out there who genuinely will take your 11 picks, man. Or even just a set of you can even get two players if they wanted.
Phoenix, no?
Get,
You could have a like see with Phoenix, Devin Booker, like maybe they might be interested in those picks.
hey man,
Kasi
yeah.
Booker and
Yeah,
Actually,
SGA,
yeah,
di
yeah.
ba?
SGA plus
the
yeah.
Kentucky guys,
D-Book?
no?
Because I've seen D-Book play a role with Team USA. I'm sure he could medyo change tweak his playing style with OKC if they really make a play for him. If the salaries match, we don't know how the cap situation is right now with OKC with Devin Booker, but I'll never know, right? Maybe a third team could change the difference.
Yeah, dude, so many things could happen. You know, what if we send LeBron James to the front? No, I'm just
Na he's not gonna go to small market team.
kidding.
Bababa yung value niya. Oh, man.
I think yan yung difference nung team na to compared to the rest of those teams who we can't
Yeah.
consider dynasties is because OKC has the assets to make sure that they can get another star besides Shea for
Mhm.
how many years to come, bro. Yun lang yung nakikita ko. And they draft fairly well. They draft very, fairly well. So,
I
ayun, that,
agree.
I see it. I see it in that aspect.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. But I don't see it with the way the other teams strengthen their rosters. LA is about to make a move with the new owner, diba?
Yeah,
So I don't see
Mhm.
them being a dynasty. I don't think there's gonna be a dynasty within the next decade.
yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. I see it. I see it. Yeah, I agree. I
But
don't
if
think
there's someone who has potential, it's gonna be them because of
others.
everything that you just mentioned. Yes, okay, so yes.
I'd like to make the claim that Boston had a chance to be a dynasty, man.
No,
Yeah,
that's
pero
true,
yeah, that's also true. Pero kawawa
but
rin si Tatum.
magbawatak-watak sila eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung
With
contract
the
situation na rin with
Yes. So,
That's
yun
in
Paul,
the
yung wala
first
pa.
thing,
Drew.
Yun yung
man.
problema na wala pa yung OKC ngayon, which they're gonna be facing a couple of
Yep,
years from now. They have to
exactly.
make tough
You have to
decisions.
make some decisions, bro. In that scenario, if I'm asking you guys, who are you keeping, J Dub or Chet? If you only have to pick one.
J-Dub,
I'm keeping Chet.
really? We seen the stinkers that Chet put up sometimes?
I
Have you
think
seen
it'll
it?
be
Well, J-Dub
I
also
don't know,
put up
I'll
stinkers.
keep Chet eh. Yung mga skill set kasi ni Chet at being a 7'1", 7'2", I can't
Chet
that eh.
covers two positions, eh, no?
Yeah,
Well,
Chet. That's J Dub offers two as well. Maybe even three.
Yeah,
You
for
can
me,
keep.
ano lang, may pagiging unicorn ni Chet made me prefer him more than a J-Dub na mas maraming kind of players like him compared
But
to a Chet.
the main thing is, man, no matter what you do, if you're OKC, Shea doesn't
Mm.
leave. Yun lang yun.
Siya
oh,
yung
You
talaga
yeah.
yung main priority.
talaga.
Agree.
You can compete for many years as long as you have Shea. I think that's the main thing talaga. That's just how it goes, man. If they make a big splash, man, in free agency or with their trades or whatever, with their picks, it's gonna be crazy.
Ano, we talked about like giving away stuff, no, especially for OKC. So naisip ko rin kanina, I was going through the comments, somebody was asking for a Hinebra jersey. Naisip ko, we could do it through a fair way, no? Pero kailangan nyo kami talunin. Kami ni Grem at ni Mario. And I would like to take Daily Fantasy for making this happen. Meron tayong budget sa gusto nyo jersey, 'di ba? Sige. So, ang kailangan nyo gawin, pumunta sa letsplay.dailyfantasy.com or download the app. Tapos pupunta kayo dito sa Ginebra versus San Miguel Beermen. Okay? Ito yung pupuntahan nyo. And you don't need to put actual money in it. You just need the rubies. Yung mga rubies, you get that upon signing up. You don't need to add my code or anything. You just sign up with your email. Very easy to play. Dito kayo sasali sa advanced. Sumali na si Grem at Mario dito, by the way.
I have
So,
that.
I will make them reveal their lineup once I pick mine. I already have my lineup, so papakita ko na lang sa inyo. So, I'm gonna join advanced dito. Ruby Store, you don't need to put any money again, guys. Just register and you will get rubies upon signing up. So, for my lineup, wait, binubuksan ko lang yun dito sa gilid ko. Yung kodigo ko. So, akin, RJ, sa PG1. Let's now go to shooting guard. I got Holt Thompson. Small forward. Si Vidgrem, nakikinig na rin ko. Baka pinagpipili ko eh.
Yeah.
Malonzo, Malonzo Troliano. Kasi di ba we have 100 credits for 8 players. Make sure yan guys ha. So the reason na apat yan is it means that you can get 4 point guards and it won't care. Basta max of 4 lang per position. So you get 8. Sa power forward, I'm getting... Alam ko, I got kahilig dito eh. Alam ko, kahilig ako sa power forward. And syempre, I'm saving up for my main guy right here, Jude Fajardo. 17 credits lang. Tapos si Japs, 14. And dahil cheap yung paglagay nila, Japs is 14. I got Japs. And this is my lineup. I managed to use 99 credits out of 100. So that's my lineup. Tapos pipili kayo ng captain at vice captain, yung captain, times 2. So, whatever output magawa ni Junmar for you, that's times 2. Yung vice captain yung 1.5. So, ang gagawin kong vice captain, don't want it to be Jobs. Gusto ko si Scotty.
Pwede.
Yeah, Scotty has a triple-double potential more than Jobs. So, ito yung ano ko, captain, vice captain. You guys could follow my lineup or you could make yours. So, once that's done, ito na yun. Confirmation. Yan. Next. Rubies? Yeah, well, that's the one. Lalabas siya dito sa leaderboard sa my contest nyo. So, ito yung sasalihan nyo, guys. Yung Ruby Entry 50 Advanced. And I think what you guys can do is you can comment your username sa comments para by the time the game starts, makita natin yung leaderboard. The leaderboard will show who who was the number one or maybe sa top three. Basta matalo nyo lang isa sa amin. Actually, no. Someone has to beat us, no, talaga mag number one in this
Make
Ah,
them
and then
earn
we'll
it.
get, yeah, you get number one in this pool. So far there are 21 people in this Jin SMB matchup sa advanced. You get number one in the leaderboard, show proof. You can DM me, DM either of us. You got number one. That's your username. And we will give you guys the Hinebra or SMB jersey that you want. So, basta mag
we
number one kayo.
we
And
don't
we would
own
like to...
SMB jerseys. Oh.
Bibili tayo. Bibili kami.
Oh,
So, we would like to thank Daily Fantasy for sponsoring this and this segment. And of course, yun nga, yung pang-ano natin, pambili ng jersey para sa inyo. Kasi di ba
yeah.
nakita niyo sa comments, may gusto, guys, pwede niyo bilhin ako ng Ginebra jersey. And then I
Yeah.
thought of a way na, okay, beat us here, be number one, then sige, we'll send you that jersey. Again, thank you, Daily Fantasy. And we'll be having more PBA. Ano tawag dito? We'll be having more PBA podcasts as always kasi we're in the middle of the playoffs. Magsisimula pa lang yung semis this Wednesday and the
Yeah.
NBA right now is the draft, no? So again, our focus is on the PBA. So sakto, kakalabanan nyo kami sa
Yeah.
SMB versus Jin. And good luck sa inyo kasi we're gonna do our best as well.
Yeah.
Sino team mo,
That's
Mario?
right.
Do you remember who your eight man is?
I have my roster here. You want me to share
Hmm.
screen?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Sige, wait. I'll give you hosting rights.
Delete lang ako ng mga
I
tab.
wanna go first dito.
Hindi, Mario, ikaw,
I wanna
Graham, you
go
just say it
first.
verbally. You don't need to share your screen. Just say it verbally,
Yeah.
Graham.
So I have Wami Tiongson and Chris Ross. I
Mm-mm.
also have Don Troliano and Marcio Laster. And then I have Junmar, of course.
Japs.
Only a dumb person will not have Jun. No, I don't have Japet Aguilar. Don't lure me into having him. I then have Scotty,
Galit
Troy,
siya.
and Steven Holt. No,
Ah,
I'm
okay,
not.
Scotty,
Hindi ako
Troy.
galit kay Japet. I just think he's
Sinasabi mo lang. Hindi mo lang siya
I
pick
just
for
think
game one.
tumaas na konti yung voice. Nag-high pitch na ng konti para na para chat.
Medyo may na-trigger. May na-trigger
May
lang.
na-trigger siya. No,
May
no,
mga
no.
PTSD moment. Oh,
May na-trigger lang. May na-trigger lang. Kalma lang tayo.
Okay, Mario, you can share your screen. I gave you the rights. Okay na.
I think this is the one.
Yeah, press share. Yung green. Bota, yan na si Mario.
Can't see it.
Who's your lineup? RJ,
I got RJ Barrientos. Got
Wami,
Wami. I got Stephen Holt.
yun,
Don
Troliano
Troviano.
Perez. Hindi
CJ
rin kinuha.
Perez.
Hindi rin
Troy
kinuha si Jobs.
Rosario. Jonmar Fajardo and Mo Tautua. Let's just make this incredibly clear, ha. Yung dalawang Hinebra fan dito, yung walang Dapat Aguilar.
Ako pa yung nag-Japet Aguilar.
Just
Ay,
make
hindi,
it clear.
makikita. Mas nakikita mo tuloy kung sino yung totoong Hinebra fan, actually. Makikita mo kung sino yung totoong Hinebra fans dito. Hindi, SMB fans naman kayo eh. Diba?
Make it clear, guys. Make it clear. I just have these guys for the main reason. Number one, RJ Barrientos
Yeah.
has to be good.
Yeah, yeah.
Si Wami, wala na akong maspendan ng pera eh. So, no choice ako kay Wami.
Not bad yung value ni Mami, no?
Not
Not
bad yung
bad yung value ni Mami.
Bro, yung solid na value si Junmar, bro. He was like 19 credits. Junmar Fajardo! Going up
17.
against,
17 lang.
yeah,
17 lang.
going
So
Yeah.
up
cheap.
against, Batman and all that. Bruh. Come on, man. Then I got Mo Tautua because I believe if Junmar is having a bad game, at least Mo will have a good one.
So,
Um, I think Troy will play more minutes than most people. And then I had CJ over Scotty.
CJ over
But I
Scotty.
had to
Okay.
choose between the two. I had to choose between the two. Because I just don't think I have to wait first. I want to see if Scotty has that breakout game first before I um bet on Scotty. I want to see him get close to triple double numbers first. Because I think Stephen Holt has a better chance of that if I'm being honest right now. So yeah, that's what I have on this team.
Nice. And guys, once again, you can expect that we will be having PBA podcast. Once again, Daily Fantasy for making this possible. Again, it's free, guys. You don't need to put in money here. Uh, Perfect sponsor for us. We don't want you guys spending your hard-earned cash. So just the rubies, which you get from
Si Mario na lang, si
registration.
Mario.
Si Mario will spend the cash for you. Basta mag number one kayo in this yung sa advanced Ruby under the SMB Gin game in 2 days, then let us know. Give us proof that you're the number one guy. And then we'll let us know kung SMB ba or Jin gusto nyo or TNT, whatever.
Yeah.
And as always, guys, let us know if you think OKC as well is a dynasty in the making or do you think it's short-lived. And as always, follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. This is the Six Man Podcast with Nico, Graham, and Mars. Sorry, dami ulit.
Tingin ni Girl,
This is
sabi
our
ko hinom ko.
this is our fourth recording in one day and three. Yeah. We'll see you all next time. Peace.
Lakers pa rin, guys.
Amigos.
Lakers pa rin, guys.